Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to recover deleted messages from Instagram chat recovery. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Here you can see 3 lines. Press on this. Now you can see here your activity. Go for it. Now scroll down and click on download your information. Now click on download. Now give your password of your Instagram. Press and continue. Here it is. Now press on this and click on extract. Press and done. So this is how to recover deleted messages from Instagram chat recovery. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.